Hello everyone. I'm so glad to meet and serve you. Our discussion for today is all about straight line and its preliminary concepts. And this is Engineer Danilo M. Guzman Jr. Let us now start our discussion. Okay, solving the same problem, the same C board exam problem. Let us have now our strategy number 2, and let us see how we can solve this problem. Given the following points A, 3, and 4, B, 2, and negative 6, determine the equation of the line. The following choices below are the choices that we have to choose. And to start with our solution, let A be the point P1, wherein x sub 1 is 3 and y sub 1 is equal to 4, using the formula x sub 1 capital X plus y sub 1 capital Y is equal to 1. Substitute the values of x sub 1 is equal to 3 and y sub 1 is equal to 4. After the substitution process, we have now created an equation and we call it as equation 1. We have 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. And also, let B be the point P sub 2, wherein x sub 2 and y sub 2 are given. X sub 2 is 2, y sub 2 is equal to negative 6. Then afterward, using the formula x sub 2x plus y sub 2y is equal to 1, we have to substitute the value of x sub 2 and y sub 2. And as we can see, we have formed an equation 2x minus 6y is equal to 1, which we will call it as equation 2. And now we also have the summary of our equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 1 as our equation 1, and 2x minus 6y is equal to 1 as our equation 2. And then we have to compute for the values of x and y now using Casio FX570 ES Plus as our calculator technique by starting press mode first. After pressing the mode, the calculator will let us to choose among the choices given in the monitor. Of course, we have to press 3 Start. And then among the choices, we have to press 5, meaning equation. And then we also have to press 1. From equation 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 1, we have to input the following values of A, which is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to 1. And also from equation 2, 2x minus 6y is equal to 1, we have to input also the following values: A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 6, and C is equal to 1. Finally, all the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, and C2 are now all recorded. And then we have to press the equal symbol so that we can determine now the value of x. As we can see, we have now x equal to 5 over 13. And also we have to press the equal symbol again so that we can easily determine the value of y. Finally, we have now the value of y, and that is equal to negative 1 over 26. And then finally, we have to substitute the value of x and y to the formula xx plus yy is equal to 1. Finally, we have now the equation of the line. 5 over 13 of x minus 1 over 26 of y is equal to 1. The least common denominator of 13 and 26 is 26. Then all we have to do then is to multiply the entire equation by 6. After multiplying by 6, we have now the 10x minus y is equal to 26. Finally, we have now our final answer, The straight line in its general form, we have 10x minus y minus 26 is equal to 0.